In this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 for free on your PC or in the Steam store. This is going to give you a digital game code that you can enter in the Steam store or in your PC store of choice, and it's going to download Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 without costing you a penny. Now, this game is new out and therefore it is pretty expensive for what it is. As you can see, it's around $20 US. And this method literally takes a few minutes and you're going to be able to get Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 for free. So let's get into the tutorial. You need to use your mobile phone for this. Very important you do this on your mobile. Doesn't matter which phone you have. Just open up the internet and go to robotcoupons.com. So Robot Coupons is a codes website. They have codes for lots and lots of games. As you can see, you just need to find this Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 free digital game code page. I'm going to go to the search here and just type in Poppy, and here we go, Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 free digital game code. So tap on that and scroll down. Now, as you can see, these codes are limited in number, but you can get a free digital copy of Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 for PC or Steam. So click on show code, and as this code is pretty valuable considering it does cost $20 US to purchase this game, you will need to unlock your personal game code. So tap on unlock code, and I'm not going to bother doing this. I've already got the game code and I don't want to waste another code. But basically you're going to see a new screen once that loads up, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your game code. It will take a few minutes. Just verify you are a real person by completing a couple of free tasks. They can be things like mobile games, just playing them until certain levels, or answering questions in surveys. Just make sure you do follow all of the instructions, and that is going to unlock your game code, and you can enter it in the Steam store or on your PC, and it's going to download Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. So all you need to do is go to Robot Coupons and find this page and enjoy, guys, and that is going to save you a little bit of money. And yeah, this game is pretty fun, so enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.